Desktop 3D printing is not safe. 3D printers are polluting with volatile organic compounds and ultrafine particles. These are particles smaller than 0.1 micrometers, which will get deep into your lungs when you breathe. Ultrafine particles will penetrate through the lungs into the bloodstream and will end up in other organs. Many studies are showing now that 3D printing is not safe. About 4 years ago, we bought ourselves our first 3D printer and installed it in our student home. Quite soon, our roommates started to complain about headaches and the terrifying noises around the clock. At this point, we decided that a desktop 3D printer is actually not suitable for desktop operation. This should be improved. We want to make 3D printing safe together with you. Box3d closed environment can easily be installed on most FDM 3D printers. Warping is reduced by controlling the environment temperature. 3D printing inevitably comes with toxic pollution. Toxic fumes are extracted through an air hose or filtered with HEPA and carbon filters. Sound is isolated to make your printer a real desktop 3D printer.
It helps a lot in reducing the noise, in avoiding to smell the toxic fumes, and also it makes easier to print. So I would advise it to everyone use a printer on a daily basis.
I definitely need it while printing ABS. I've really bad warping and also some layer adhesion issues if I print outside of the box. But it's also really valuable for trying new materials. Because like I said before, I can sort of eliminate the environmental factors.
Help us now and contribute to a safe working environment for workers and our children. Let's make 3D printing safe together.